Okay, so we're going to do the experiment that's on the reverse side of this worksheet. So we're going to be doing this one, which looks at using limestone reacting with acid, and we're going to be doing it using this balance method. So I've already measured things out. I've got 100 centimetres cubed of acid ready. I've measured out the mass of my limestone. I've got small chippings and I've got powder. I've got some conical flask that I'm going to do the reaction in, and the first reaction I'm going to do is with the small marble chippings. So what I want to do is to put the acid into the conical flask. And then I'm going to add the marble chippings, stand it on the balance and start the stopwatch, and I'll be looking for how long it takes for the mass to go down by 0.5 grams. So in we go, give them a little swirl, on it goes, start, and the mass is starting on 0.24. So we'll time that and see how long it takes for the mass to go down by 0.5 grams. As you can see, the reaction is quite slow, so we'll leave that going and come back to it in a bit. Okay, so this has been reacting away for a little while now, and we can see that it's almost there. It's got another 0.05 grams to lose, and then we'll be there. So it should be 216.74, and that's when we can stop the timer. So I keep swirling it from time to time to make sure that there's plenty of acid can still get around those limestone chippings so they can carry on reacting. There we are, perfect. And that looks like it was 7 minutes and 14 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the experiment again, this time using calcium carbonate powder rather than small chippings. I've got my acid measured out already, so 100 millilitres of acid. It's going to go into my conical flask. And then I'm going to start with it on there. And I'm going to very quickly try to add this calcium carbonate powder and start my stop clock. So in it goes, stop clock. I'm going to say that started on 214.40. I'm waiting for that to lose 0.5 grams. It's going quite quickly. There we are, perfect. And that looks like it's taken 48 seconds. Okay, so I've recorded my data in the results table here. I've converted this first time into seconds because I want to do a further calculation with this. So 7 minutes and 14 seconds is 434 seconds. And the powder I've just been able to write in as seconds anyway. Now for this column here, where it says rate of reaction, I need to do 1 divided by the time. That's why I need it to be in seconds for all of them. So I need you to calculate that bit now. So on your calculator, you're going to do 1 divided by 434 to find the answer for this one, and 1 divided by 48 to find the answer for this one. So you need to do that and fill those answers in on your table.